Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shiba Inu not decentralized, supply will only increase soon. 2022 has started with some great news surrounding Shiba Inu. Massive SHIB tokens burns are helping reduce the supply, which is due to several activities that have been happening since the token launched. But while everything is going according to what SHIB wishes, the supply has increased once again. In this video we will talk about is SHIB decentralized and if the supply will increase soon. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu, price predictions, and crypto market analysis by our experts. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Before we proceed, I would like to ask you a question. Did you purchase NFT tokens? If you haven't, then do it now. Because by buying every NFT token, you will participate in the token burn, which will be, of course, a significant step to support Shiba Inu. Also, it will reduce the token supply and skyrocket the prices. Recently, we have observed an increase in SHIB in circulation. I'm sure you're wondering why that happened when several burn projects took place. Strangely, SHIB was meant to have a fixed supply. Then where is the supply coming from? According to SHIB Burn on Twitter, the supply has increased is not due to new tokens appearances, but because investors are taking out the SHIB that they staked on Shiba Swap. Let's see what the tweet says. If you're freaking out about the circulating supply on the sign increasing, it's because some people are taking out from what they staked on the cheapest mob. So it goes back into circulation. This number can go up or down. If more people stake, then circulating supply goes down again. The purpose of the tweet was to help the investors and traders understand that there is nothing to panic. People are staking their tokens on the Shiba Swap platform. The number of tokens in circulation will reduce too, as different burn activities are at the boom. The same SHIB Burn Twitter handle posted in another tweet that about 19 million SHIB were burned in the last 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, there have been a total of 19,156,573 SHIB tokens burned and 8 transactions. So far, a total of 410,301,254,039,570 SHIB tokens, 41.03013%, have been burned from the initial supply of 1 quadrillion. You don't have to worry as the supply amount is reducing and with every day supply will reduce. While the reduction is happening due to massive burns, the token supply will reduce if SHIB gains more attention from investors worldwide. Because in that way, more people will get involved in the activities. Also, if SHIB gets listed on the trading platform Robinhood, the token supply will indeed reduce. Experts believe that Shiba Inu getting listed on Robinhood could be a bigger deal than Dogecoin getting accepted as a payment method by Tesla. Keith Spites posted an article on The Motley Fool to explain that Dogecoin getting adopted by Tesla is excellent news, but ultimately the impact of this move on the coin isn't that great. He said that the retail good, which is currently on offer to purchase with Bitcoin, probably does not generate as much revenue for Tesla as some of its other stuff. As a result, purchasing them using Dogecoin might not significantly impact Tesla. Additionally, how many Dogecoin owners would buy Tesla products using the coin? So, purchasing Tesla products using Dogecoin seems nice, but it doesn't make much difference except it has created a lot of hype. But when we talk about Shiba Inu listing on Robinhood, would provide more opportunities for SHIB to get more chances to purchase the token. According to Keith Spites, the valuations of cryptocurrencies, like the valuations of assets, hinge primarily on supply and demand. Robinhood listing Shiba Inu would benefit SHIB and Robinhood, as recently Robinhood has been experiencing a low time due to a dip in its shares, so we are waiting anxiously for the listing to happen. We all know that Bitcoin mining is not environmentally friendly because it consumes higher energy very ecologically friendly. But Europe doesn't seem to be enjoying this anymore, and it looks like they want to stop it. According to Cointelegraph, Vice Chair of European Securities and Markets Authority, Eric Thieding, has raised concerns over the growing use of renewable energy for Bitcoin mining. According to Cointelegraph with Financial Times, Eric Thieding said that Bitcoin mining has become a national issue and warned cryptocurrencies could pose a risk to climate change goals. He didn't show much concern over the entire crypto market, but only the cryptos that use proof of work. Cointelegraph called European regulators to take special exception to proof of work POW mining, primarily used by Bitcoin and a few others forked altcoins. He advocated proof of stake as a better energy-efficient alternative. Remember that SHIB uses proof of work because it's built on the Ethereum network. But if you have seen my previous videos, you may know that SHIB is planning to move to Shibarium L2. Ethereum is also building Ethereum 2.0, which will be launched at the end of 2022 and will use proof of stake. For instance, Millennial Capital, an alternative investment firm based in Paris, mentioned that this plan to ban POW mining is entirely misinformed. They believe that Bitcoin is decentralized and does not have a group to defend its interests, shouldn't be seen as an opportunity to put measures to render it illegal. People have argued that Bitcoin is using renewable energy. That should be praised, not banned. The first to ban Bitcoin was the Tesla owner Elon Musk, who stopped using Bitcoin as a payment option anymore. Elon Musk said, "I would re-add Bitcoin as a payment method if up to 50% of its energy comes from renewable sources." Bitcoin may be better off increasing its usage of clean and renewable energy against the alternative even as its prospects continue to look better. Experts are predicting that Bitcoin's bearish run is about to come to an end. Cointelegraph's CoinShares findings illustrate that large investors in the Bitcoin ecosystem, using companies such as Grayscale, CoinXBT, ProShares, etc. Group, have reduced their exposure to the digital asset. At the moment, everything seems to experience a dip, including the 7 days average real BTC trading volume, and the actions of trading seem to be moving towards the dead end. In August and October 2021, a low was seen, which saw a 60% increase in price. Experts believe that this recovery is just around the corner. A Bitcoin bull on Twitter with the Twitter handle @GalaxyBTC mentioned, "Zoom out, relax, and enjoy the road to $80K. But Mike McClone, a Bloomberg analyst, seems to think that Bitcoin will spike and hit $100,000 in 2022 as it completes its transaction from a risk-on to a risk-off asset. He believes Bitcoin is in a unique phase. I think of transitioning from a risk-on to risk-off global digital store of value, replacing gold and becoming global collateral. So I think that's what's going to be happening this year." He seems to believe that what Bitcoin is experiencing is a sign of this, that the market is consolidating and on its way to becoming even more profitable. Still, McClone doesn't only have optimistic predictions for Bitcoin, but he also has positive predictions for Ethereum. According to Cointelegraph, the analyst is also bullish on Ethereum, given its vital role in providing the central infrastructure for decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens (NFTs). He's convinced that the USD stablecoins will increase in 2022. But we must not forget that whatever McClone has predicted is based on research and a careful study of the crypto market. They are still predictions, and nothing is confirmed yet. Also, the crypto market is just like a bomb, and it may explode anytime or shrink like a balloon with no more air in it. So we must keep our hopes high and wait for the best to come. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.